All right, so let's go ahead and put this vehicle into drive, and let's set off to South Dixie. Now, like I mentioned, since this is the Cooper, not the Cooper S or the JCW variant, this one now features a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. So this is the B48 inline 4-cylinder that replaces the old inline 3-cylinder for this model. So this is going to make 161 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. So it's going to be making more horsepower. It's also going to be making more torque, and we have it connected to a 7-speed DCT now. So gone is the 8-speed automatic conventional transmission. In place is a 7-speed automatic transmission. But let's go ahead and see how this vehicle drives. So with the convertible top up, you know, it's not too bad whenever it comes to cruising on like maybe 45. Anything above 60, you're probably going to be hearing a lot of road noise or wind as well, which is to be expected when it comes to a convertible vehicle. These JCW seats actually hug you very, very well. They are super comfortable. I've been in countless amount of you know, Countrymen's, you know, Coopers, Clubmans and stuff like that, but these models with the new seats designs, they feel a lot better, a lot more you know, catered towards the driver to help you around those corners, so you're not going ahead and flying around, which is very nice. And it's good to see that you can get it even though you don't have to get the JCW model all in all. But let's go ahead and put it into sport mode, the go-kart mode actually, and let's drive over here in the back road. Let's see how this puppy drives. Automatically starts downshifting for you, and let's go. Oh, very, very, very peppy actually, which is something I wasn't expecting, because this is a convertible, so it's gonna weigh a lot more than the hardtop since it has all those mechanical bits at the rear. But you know what, very peppy, feels great around these corners, and when you toss them in, you know, there isn't a lot of body roll when it comes to that, which is very nice. That go-kart feeling, even though you have a convertible, surprisingly feels really good. And oh, that shift felt good. Really, really nice, very poised suspension. Even when we go over these bumps really quick, let me go ahead and test it out one more time. Not too bad. We have the 18-inch wheels. Doesn't have a lot of sidewall, but I will say really good overall you know, suspension feeling. I'm gonna go ahead and actually lower the, you know, soft top really quick, and we're gonna go ahead and see how this vehicle feels all in all. And we're gonna lower the windows. Let's have the open air experience. I mean, this is a convertible, for crying out loud. If you guys wanted to see a hardtop, you would go ahead and see my other videos that I did. All right, we're all set. Let's put it into drive, and let's see how this vehicle overall performs with having the soft top down. And we are going to put it in go-kart mode to see how it goes around those twists. All right, so open air experience. I'm sorry for the wind noise if you guys do hear it. You know, that's exactly what you're going to expect when it comes to driving this vehicle with the convertible top down. Now overall, I mean, really nice, open airy feeling. I love this. It makes me feel like if I'm, you know, going down to Key West or Key Largo and enjoying a nice hot summer day down there. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it into go-kart mode really quick, take it around these back roads, and let's see how this vehicle's overall stability feels whenever you're driving it. Really, really good. You still have that go-kart feeling when you are taking around these twists. I love the tuning that they did for the transmission of this vehicle as well. When you put it into go-kart mode, it just feels very, very good and poised, which is to be expected from a Mini. Let's go ahead and put it back into core, and that's all she wrote. I think it's a fantastic vehicle. This is going to be a great vehicle when it comes to living in states where, like California and Florida, like we are right now. It's going to be great because you can go ahead and drop the top down not worry about the rain, except for if, you know, if it's the springtime. Over here in Florida, it's horrible, absolutely horrible. But you'll be able to take this vehicle down to Key West, enjoy. But once you do that, you are going to have such a great experience driving this vehicle. Now, once again, I think this is a really great car. Overall, fantastic. Convertible wise, it's really good. I love the soft top. I love how it has the Union Jack as well. I think it's a really poised vehicle, has that go-kart feeling even with the top down. And even though this is the base one, not making a 201 horsepower or the 228, this is JCW, I think this is a great overall experience. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys and gals in the next video. Peace.